In this video, I will show you another easy and fast way you can retouch your picture and get the perfect high-end retouching without wasting time. And this is not AI. This pattern is called airbrush. Okay, so as you can see this picture right here, we are going to retouch this picture without wasting time with airbrush pattern. Okay, so now let's drop this down. This will serve as our before. Okay, so let's work on this. Let's work on this right here. Okay, so as you can see this picture here, it have some pimples, and we want to retouch this picture without using mixer brush and without using micro dodge and bond retouch. We just want to retouch it fast, okay, and also get the best result. So the first thing we do is to create an empty layer above, because we have to pick some of the hard pimples out from the face. Okay, so this empty layer, you make sure you pick your spot healing brush too, and make sure you are content aware. Okay, so you just have to paint on the spots. Okay, just have to paint on the spots, the stubborn ones. Just have to paint on them to pick them out. So as you can see right here, the stubborn spots are going out. Okay, right here, this face is clean without the stubborn spot, but we have to make it more clean and beautiful. So this is the face before with the spot and after without the spot. Okay, so let's merge this together. Okay, so this is this face right now. So we are going to record this face so far within some seconds. Okay, so and we are going to make use of this my all-in-one preset right here. So under this my all-in-one preset, if you have downloaded this preset, under the retouching button, you have your advanced frequency separation, the medium frequency separation, the 8-bit, 16-bit, and you have the fast retouch 1, fast retouch 2, fast retouch 3, and the airbrush retouch. Okay, so we are going to make use of the airbrush retouch in this tutorial. And remember, this is not AI, and this doesn't require any network to work. This is pure Photoshop. Okay, you just have to click on the airbrush, okay, to give you this message, okay, and click continue. It will give this message again and click continue. All those messages are just directing you on what to do. Okay, so as you can see, that's finished loading. So as simple as that. So you pick your brush tool and make sure you are on soft round brush, and make sure your opacity and your flow, they are on 100. Okay, so you just have to brush all over the face and the body of the picture you are retouching. Okay, as you can see, so this is a professional way you can retouch your image so fast without wasting time and without overdoing or destroying the picture, or maybe changing the picture from what the person looks like. Okay, so this is a professional method. As you can see, within some seconds you are done retouching. You don't need mixer brush here, and you don't need micro dodge and bond retouch here. So let's move this to the next. Okay, as you can see this picture right here, you can see that this picture, I'm done retouching this picture. I'm done retouching this picture right here. So now this is this picture before. Okay, as you can see, this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. You can see that this picture is looking soft and more beautiful right here. Okay, so the next thing again you will do here is just to work on the eyes. Okay, so and to work on the eyes also, you just have to, under the all-in-one presets, you just have to, this is eyes retouch button here. Okay, if you don't want to use any of the preset under this eyes retouch button, you have the eyes and teeth whitening here. Okay, just click on it. Okay, so with same brush too, just have to paint on the white side of the eyes. Okay, so this will whiten the eyes and also leaving the veins, so making the eyes look so natural. Okay, so and as you can see, this retouch your picture and also leaving the skin pores, okay, without killing or destroying the skin pores. Okay, so the next thing we do right here is to let's merge this picture. Okay, so we merge it together. We are going to take this picture to camera raw filter. Okay, so now let's take this picture to camera raw filter, because right now what we are doing is not retouch. We are done with the retouch in just few seconds. So we are going to do the skin tone and the balancing. Okay, so under this camera raw filter, you go to your preset icon here. So you see they have the adaptive portraits, and this camera raw filter comes with this. Okay, so just open the adaptive portrait and you click on the enhanced portrait there. So you allow the enhanced portrait to load. So these picture features are just new features they added in camera raw filter. So in case you can't find them, you can you can update your Photoshop to get them. Okay, so this is enhanced portrait and this is glamour portraits. Okay, you just have to play along with them, and you have this light to adjust to your satisfaction here. Okay, so and this is uh polished portraits, right here. So you have to check the feature, the one that works for. This is gritty. I don't need gritty here. This is facial smoothing. So let me drop it a little because I don't want the textures of my picture to go away. Okay, so we don't need more darken on the with more whitening on the eye. So we just go to darken the eyebrow. Okay, so crease it a little. Okay, so right here inside this camera of it, I move back to edit, and I have to go to this color mixer and pick this eye here. So I pick from the skin. So I have to move with the slide of these colors to adjust the skin tone to the level that I want it to be. Okay. So as you can see what I'm doing, you can see the changes right there. So I just want to do the finish touching here. So let me add the little red, and this is orange. So I'll take this thing to this hue and saturation. I add the saturation here. I add the hue here. So right now I move this to blacks here. I add a little black here. And right now let me add a little highlight on the image. Okay, so this is cool. This is cool. And let me scroll down to effect and increase the texture a little. So and this is this is good. Okay, so now I have to add a little vibrance. Remember, when you are skin toning, it depends on what you are looking for. Okay, so now I click OK. So as you can see, this picture is looking nice. So let me bring this before. So this is this picture before. This is the before, how the picture looked before, and this is the after. So this is airbrush retouch. Okay, as you can see, this picture is looking more beautiful, more professional, and well retouched, and also realistic, because there are some skin features that's still there. Okay, like the skin pores are still there, so it is not looking fake. Okay, so this is how you can use the airbrush to retouch. Okay, this is not AI, and this doesn't require network to do. Okay, so you just have to download this my all-in-one preset. The link is in my channel description, or you can drop a comment and I will send it to you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Okay, bye.